Hi guys, welcome to the Wonders of the Sea.
This video is a full ship review of the Wonder. We will show you every corner of this incredible ship, diving into the different neighborhoods, food options, and all the included activities for the whole family and the amazing shows and entertainment on board. Also, you will see what a perfect day at Coco Cay, Royal Caribbean's private island is like.
If you're planning a cruise on Royal Caribbean's Wonder of the Sea, this is a video you definitely want to watch. Come and sail with us.
We boarded from the Miami cruise port on the 4-day adventure to Nassau, Bahamas and Coco Cay aboard the Wonder. The embarkation process is very much streamlined for Royale, but arriving on your chosen time slot on time is the key to have enough time for check-in, security, and boarding. Everything is done ahead on the app, and you have to scan all the required documents to get your boarding passes.
And here is a pro tip. Drop off your luggage with the porter outside with the stateroom number on the tag, and it will be ready waiting for you when your stateroom is ready. And this way you can start enjoying the ship.
A great first stop is the Windjammer buffet for lunch.
Washing your hands is important, and so is subscribing to our channel. Please take a moment to do that. Thank you.
Windjammer is the main complimentary buffet on the ship with large selection of food on board. It's open for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. We had lunch here most of the days. There's lots of seating and big windows all around to give you a nice view.
On embarkation day, don't miss out on the sail away party at the pool deck.
The atmosphere there is really lively with the Royal Caribbean crew pumping everyone with high energy dance and music.
It's the official kickoff to vacation mode.
Now let's talk about the stateroom. You get a notification on the app when your stateroom is ready. We had an ocean view balcony mid-ship, which was decent size for 2 adults and 2 kids. It has a king bed and a sofa bed. Bathrooms are decent size, and the room does have some storage, so definitely take advantage of that. There is a full-size mirror, a mini fridge, but the best part, our favorite part, was of course the ocean view balcony.
Our friends were sailing with us, and luckily their room was right next to us.
Hello, the joy. Hi, guys.
Oh, you guys are like right there.
Deck 15 and 16 is where all the water activities take place. Deck 15 is where you have the main pool and the beach pool, which is a resort-style family pool area with tropical themed loungers, and there's also multiple hot tubs and whirlpools all around. On the same deck is the kids splash away zone, which includes the area for small kids to play and also some really big water slides, including the Perfect Storm water slide, which was super fun.
So guys, another good tip is take advantage of the port days. Port days, a lot of people will go out to the Bahamas or the Coco Cay, and everything is going to be very, very empty. There's absolutely no line.
Using this strategy, we were able to go on these slides multiple times on a port day.
Towards the back of the ship in the same deck is the Wonder Dune mini golf. And right next to it is the Playscape Playground. It's a super fun play area with open air views overlooking the ocean. Everyone can have a great time playing mini golf. It's right next to the sports zone where basketball, pickleball, and even football takes place. There's also a designated ping pong area.
Make sure to check out the app daily and plan the activities you want to participate in. There's always something going on, and you will never be bored on this ship. While visiting the sports zone, don't forget to stop by El Loco Fresh if you're craving some Mexican food. It's a good complimentary food option for lunch or just if you just want to have a snack. My favorite was to make your own nachos.
Ziplining on the Wonder of the Seas is one of the coolest thrills you can do. You're literally gliding above 10 decks. The best part is, it's even included for free. I did the zipline!
Also included is the popular Flowrider attraction. They do give you some instruction, but trust me, it is not as easy as it looks. But it is super fun and it is a must do.
Another crazy fun attraction that is included is the Ultimate Abyss. It's a massive dry slide that drops you 10 decks down to the boardwalk in just a few seconds.
You crazy! Wow! High five! That was crazy!
It's fast, fun, and totally unique to Oasis-class ships. Alright, let's talk about the different neighborhoods on the Wonder, starting with the boardwalk. It's packed with entertainment, food, and lots of activities.
So guys, here we are at the boardwalk. This is kind of one of those carnival type of area. There's a lot of fun activities and we're going to show you all.
It's located at the back of Deck 6, right next to the Aqua Theater and Johnny Rockets, Paid Diner, and the Playmakers Bar. It feels like a seaside carnival and they hosted a few family events here.
My favorite part about the boardwalk is that it actually has a fully functioning carousel that you could go on for unlimited times for free.
It's my favorite too!
There's also an included hot dog shack, the doghouse, and I must say the hot dogs were pretty impressive.
I put mayonnaise, mustard, relish, and sauerkraut on my hot dog.
As I mentioned, Johnny Rockets is located here, and even though it's a paid diner, here's a quick tip. They do offer breakfast for completely free. If you're traveling with kids, don't miss any of the special events on the boardwalk as they can be the most memorable ones.
I love the cotton candy and riding on the carousel.
Alright, the next stop is the Royal Promenade. This is like the main hub at the Wonder and a great evening hangout spot. You will also find guest services desk here. There's a few popular bars like the Schooners Bar and the Rising Tide Bar are also located here.
You can do a great photo op by the red vintage car. There's some great shops here as well, and here's a quick tip. On port days, they do offer some good sales. In evenings, they host different events like salsa night and great live music.
Spotlight Karaoke puts the party in Promenade. It was our favorite evening activity. Don't forget to check the app for more information about karaoke and other family activities.
Another fun spot here was Boleros. It's a fun Latin-themed lounge with the Havana-style decor. They hosted lots of nightly events, including lively dance parties for the family.
You can grab a free snack at the Cafe Promenade or popular Sorrentos Pizza, which is open super late.
Can we get a couple of these?
If you're a Starbucks fan, there is a Starbucks in this location as well.
Don't forget to check out the futuristic Bionic Bar here also. Even if you're not drinking, you can just watch the two robotic arms mix, shake, stir, and serve your drinks. It's one of the coolest tech features on the ship.
Wow, AI and robots are really coming out after our jobs.
Central Park is another neighborhood on Wonder of the Sea, and it's one of the most beautiful and relaxing areas. It's a real open-air garden in the middle of the ocean. It's inspired by New York's Central Park. It's truly a green oasis filled with thousands of live plants and trees in the middle of the ship. There's multiple specialty dining restaurants here like Giovanni's, 150 Central Park, and Chops Grill. There's also an included dining option here, Parks Cafe. Stop by here for their famous roast beef sandwich. It's a great spot for casual lunch or just to have a snack. They have great soup, salad, and desserts. One of my favorite things to do in the morning was to grab coffee from here and just stroll in the garden. One of the destinations for Royal Caribbean is the perfect day at Coco Cay, their own private island in the Bahamas. It's designed like a giant beach resort playground. So we are at Coco Cay now. This is the fourth day when we arrived at Coco Cay and we're having a really nice time. This is Splashaway Bay behind us. Kids are there playing and we're gonna walk around, go to the beaches, get some snacks. Splashaway Bay is the free kids water playground, and this can keep them busy for a long time. The water is not heated. It can be a little chilly at first, but they still had a blast.
If you want some adrenaline rush, there is Thrill Waterpark, which is an added cost and something we did not do.
Right next to Splashaway Bay was the included food option Skipper's Grill. There's other included food options also, like Chill Grill and Snack Shack. It's a good lunch spot with burgers, hot dogs. There's also make your own taco station and also some great barbecue meats. After lunch, we wanted to check out the water. There's a few beaches. First is Harbour Beach, which is on the right after you cross the bridge. It has cute tiki huts on the water and it's a good beach for small kids. One of the main beaches is Chill Island. We followed the map on how to get there and it was really nice. There's lots of beach loungers with umbrellas for everyone, and there's also some souvenir shops if you're in the mood for shopping. The water here was a beautiful turquoise with little or no waves. It's a great place for relaxing, snorkeling, or taking a nap. There's also a bar right next to it too.
There's also South Beach, which is more energetic atmosphere than the Chill Island. There's lots of free activities and games to keep everyone entertained.
We want to make a whole separate video on Coco Cay and what's included and what's extra. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get the alerts, and we really appreciate it. Now let's talk about the main dining. This is the formal sit-down included 3-course dining option in Royal Caribbean. The menu rotates every night with different themes. Our most memorable dishes were the prime rib, the New York strip, and the French onion soup. Quick tip, don't forget to pick your dining time when you book the cruise. There's assigned times or you can have my time dining.
I love the sauce.
Everyone can order an appetizer, entree, and dessert. It's a great way to try new food and be adventurous. If you're craving some specific cuisines, there's lots of paid specialty dining options also.
We love sushi, so we ate at Izumi.
So we have reservations at Izumi Sushi today, and we're really excited. This is our first time there.
It's an Asian fusion dining with a hibachi station and also a la carte options.
Izumi has so much food. We had tempura, spring rolls, seaweed salad, chicken karaage, udon noodles, and a lot of sushi, and even some ramen. And we were so stuffed, but we still had dessert.
My favorite was the mochi ice cream.
As you can see, the kids really enjoyed this dinner. One often missed included dining option is Solarium Bistro. Now the Solarium pool and lounge area is an adults-only area of the ship. However, kids are allowed here for dining. We love the breakfast here.
So we are here on the Solarium Bistro. This is the second time we're having breakfast here. A quick tip, if you want to avoid the crowd in Windjammer or the main dining, you can always come here and get breakfast. This is a really good place to have a full Caribbean breakfast.
The inside decor is very beautiful and the outside has beautiful ocean views. Breakfast was really good here with quite a different stations, and it's definitely less crowded than the Windjammer. The Solarium pool and lounge area looked really nice, and quick tip, come early because we saw it get crowded later on. Wonder of the Sea has a great lineup of nightly shows and entertainment. As far as live shows go, Intense on Wonder was hands down the best live action show we have ever seen. It's in the Aqua Theater. Make sure to book it as soon as the app opens up for show bookings. It was jaw-dropping action and the all-female crew was truly spectacular. Highly recommend this show. Deck 4 is where Entertainment Place is. It's part of the nightlife scene in Wonder of the Sea, as this is where the Casino Royale is located if you're looking to do some casino action. It's also where Attic, which is the nightclub / the comedy club. Studio B is also located here. This is where a lot of the family activities takes place, like ice skating lessons. Check the app to book these ahead. They also hosted laser tag games here, which was super fun to do as a group. Now, another show on the Wonders that we really liked was the ice skating show called 365 The Seasons on Ice. It takes place in Studio B also. It's a beautifully choreographed ice skating show and it keeps you engaged the whole time. It was a perfect post-dinner activity for the whole family. There is another show called the Effector that takes place in the Royal Theatre, and this was actually our least favorite, mainly because it was extremely stimulating with intense bright lights and lasers coming at you. It was a bit too much to experience right before bedtime, especially for the kids. If you're looking to enjoy some self-care, then Wonder of the Sea Vitality at Sea Spa is the place. It is of course paid services. They also have a smoothie bar here and a full service salon here also. And if you're looking to burn off some calories, the gym is also located here and it's really nice and big. Adventure Ocean is the kids club in the Wonder of the Sea, and they have scheduled kids activities that takes place here, and this is also where you can register to drop off the kids for some supervised playtime and activities. We participated in the slime making workshop here.
So which one did you make?
This one.
There's lots of other activities as well as age-specific play areas. Your kids are gonna beg you to come here.
I really liked playing Gaga with my family. We got really competitive.
And that's a wrap on the wonders of the sea. We hope you like the video and it helps you plan your next cruise. See you on the next one.
If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like and subscribe.